Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here. Oh my gosh. He's doing exactly what he's done in all the videos. He loves this rug. Okay, anyway, we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day. And so if you have watched me before, you know that I do Stitch Fix unboxings and try-ons. Long ago, I used to be a stylist at Stitch Fix. I still love to use the service, and I'm so thankful for it because it's taught me so many things about my own sense of fashion and style. So, as I've said before, when you do get a fix, you get a postage paid return envelope if you want to send anything back, or if you want to do an exchange, and then you also get your style card and your price sheet. I read that afterwards usually, and then I can tell you who styled me. So we're gonna jump right in. Today, the only thing I did for this fix was just ask for an outfit. And that's basically all I said. So let's jump right in. This is by Threads for Thought, and it is a black knit type top with that sort of marled look, and then it has the open cutout in the back. So not really a warm sweater or something to wear outside this time of year, but definitely something I might wear inside. It's kind of cute. I don't love the marled look. I've probably said that a million times. I keep seeming to get things with that. Okay, next, I saw these online. So these are by Spanx, and these are the camel leather leggings. And if you've watched me before, you know that I have I have a lot of camo, and I think I'm probably full up on camouflage pieces. I do have a pair of camel leggings already, but this leather style is kind of fun, so I will try it on and we will see. So, okay, so this next item is, I have this in gray that I got last year. This is Market and Spruce. It's the Sharon Thumbhole Cotton Blend Pullover in brown. So you can see it has a pretty big like cowl neck, turtleneck, and it also does have the thumb holes, which is pretty cool. So this color is a little bit different. It's called brown. I will try it on and see. But that is exactly the type of thing I'm looking for. Just basically in the winter, it's just sweaters, 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 especially this winter, and especially where I live. Speaking of that, I had actually pinned this. So this is a jacket by North Face. This is called the Women's Furry Fleece 2.0 jacket. I think it's pretty similar to, I think it's the Osito jacket they have. So this is kind of this warm caramel color. I don't know, what is it actually called? Probably called camel. So that's what this is, and it just has a full zip, and it's soft and furry, and excuse me, I am having a cold. I don't know if any of you have had this cold, but it lasts for 100 years. Okay, anyway, this is something that I would probably use because I'll be kind of like running around the house and get really cold, and I just want something I can throw on over things and zip it up. So I kind of like this one, so I will check that out. Last but not least, I see, if you notice, I had a really like big box this time, and so I realized why. They included a bag. So this is a olive leather, or not leather, I don't think it's leather, tote bag. This is pleather, I think. Street level Parker tote in olive. It's basically just a tote. It has kind of a nice soft, like, gosh, okay, that's weird, but suede liner. It's like really soft on the inside, and then it does have one zipper pouch. There are no other zipper pockets, just kind of an open bag. Looks like it definitely would fit a laptop. So this is nice. I will try it when I try it on. I'm not sure I have a need for this right now, but I do like the sort of casual style and the olive color. So I will go try those things on, and I will be back. Okay, so these are the camel leather look camel leggings, and I am going to tell you that size up, okay, because it was like a feat to get these on. I'm not kidding. It was so difficult. They're comfortable when they're on. I think if you've had a pair of these before, you know that. So kind of this is what they look like. They have that shiny leather look with that little bit of camouflage, but I know it shows up maybe brighter on the camera. Like, to me, it doesn't show so much obviously as camo, except for in different lights. So I actually kind of like it. So I know I'm always wearing tall boots, but just realistically, I'm not going to be able to wear booties in rain and snow and slush. So I tend to need to find things that work with boots. So anyway, I think I like these. I don't know. I didn't think I would. I thought they were a little too much, and I said maybe I have too much camo, but I kind of like these. So these are something I'm definitely considering. On to the next. All right, so I thought I would actually just grab this bag because I think it looks kind of cute with this outfit. So this is that street level bag, and again, it's just your straight up leather. There is sort of a tiny little, I don't know, purple line. It's along the edge of the handle and then along here. Not purple, I don't know. I think it is kind of purple. Anyway, it's just, again, your basic tote with that zipper pocket inside. But the color is cute. It's a nice size. And it would match with quite a few things that I own. I'm just not sure if I need a tote right now. But anyway, if I did, I would wear it with this outfit. Okay, so I just left the leggings on, even though I'm not sure the sweater is long enough to wear with them. But this is that Sharon thumbhole sweater. Again, the full name will be over here. And so you can see it's just long enough, maybe if I had a longer t-shirt on underneath it, to cover for leggings, and it has the thumb holes. I love it. So again, this color is just a little bit different on me. It's, I don't know, it's like a brown that almost has a little bit of a black tone in it. Hard to describe, but I do like it, and I think it actually kind of matches with these, which means it would match with some of my other olive items of clothing. So yeah, this is what this sweater looks like. I like it quite a bit. Sometimes I wonder if I could go one size up, just because I like a little bit of a longer, looser flow, and that might just give me that length. So I'm not sure. Maybe I should size up. Again, let me know your thoughts, and I will be back with the next item. All right, so I left these on again because I read my stylist note, and she suggested that I pair this black shirt, which you will see the name of over here, with these leggings. Now, I personally wouldn't, because as you can see, I don't think it's long enough. I like to at least cover my backside when I wear leggings, but this shirt is that marled black shirt, like I said, so fairly plain in the front. The back confuses me, so here's what it looks like, okay? So clearly, there's no possible way that you would not be showing your bra. Like, this is my bra, and it is completely showing, even though I tried to match it to the color of the shirt. It makes no difference. It is just showing all of my bra. So I don't know if it's something you're supposed to wear with a sports bra or what, but I'm not certain that I just want to walk around showing my bra. I mean, maybe you have to wear some, I guess you could wear, I don't know, like a cami or something, or I don't know what you could wear. It would be maybe something different than what I'm wearing right now. So this is what it looks like. And this shirt is something that someone else may like. I just personally don't like my bra showing in the back, and I don't have a good solution because I don't want to wear a shirt under this shirt, because this is just sort of a thin knit shirt. Okay, I will try the last item on. All right, so here is the jacket by the North Face, and again, it is camel colored. It's very soft, and it has zipper pockets, which have kind of a nice outline to them. They're warm and cozy. Yeah, it's very warm. I like it a lot. Here's what it looks like in the back. So the length is just about, you know, mid-hip here, right there. Whatever that line is. And I am thinking if I kept this that I might need to size up, just because when I zip it, it's just like a little tighter than I'm comfortable with. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the pockets. I'm not sure, but I might go up a size. Anyway, I think this is cozy and comfortable, and I like it. I'm guessing it's going to be about $100 because that's typically what these jackets are. So I will see if it's something I want to keep, but it's really, really cozy and really soft. So I will be out to do a wrap-up. Hi guys, I am back after the try-ons, and Watson has assumed his new Stitch Fix position in which he says he wants to be done filming. Okay, so let's go through this. If you're still watching, thank you so much for your patience. Let's just jump right in. So first off the bat, I tried these on, the Spanx Annie faux leather camo print leggings in olive. These are a size extra small, $110. So yeah, these are spendy. I would need to exchange these for a small if I do keep them, because just they were fine when they were on, but the process of getting them on is just not something I think I can handle each day. It'd probably be good exercise, burning calorie activity. Okay, anyway, I like those. $110 though. Okay, the next item is this Threads for Thought with the racer back detail, which just really doesn't work on me. This one is $64. So yeah, again, kind of an interesting detail. Probably works for someone else. Not for me on that one. And then I have on this, no wait, what do I have on right now? I have on the Market and Spruce Sharon thumbhole sweater here in brown. This one is $78 for this. So yeah, I do love the thumb holes. It's cozy and it's nice, but I am going to have to think over $78. I do like this one though. I would say the best of everything in here in terms of what I'm looking for. And then yeah, so okay, what's the last thing we have here? Two things. We've got the tote. This is the street level tote in olive. It's $58. So not too bad. And again, it's a nice color. It's something I could probably use all winter long. So something I might consider, but I don't necessarily need that. And we're in a phase of the budget right now, or a stage where I'm getting only things that I absolutely love and know that I will use. And then the last thing is this North Face jacket. And this is in camel colored extra small, and it is $98. So pretty much what I thought. I like it. It's soft and cute. I just have to decide if I need it, again, similar to what I just said. But it is nice, and I do really like this color this year. I'm really drawn to more of the warm colors. So yeah, that's basically my fix, and I am not sure exactly what I'm keeping yet, but I will make sure to have the names and the prices of all the items listed. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I know Watson again has not been participating as much. This is active rebellion on his part. He is no longer excited about these videos. It is also because it's not been very nice outside, so we haven't been out as much. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time and talk to you soon, and see you later. And Watson, can you say goodbye?